This is Pam from NortheastWheelsEvents.com at the 2019 RM Sotheby's auction in Hershey, PA. This is why I come to Hershey, because I love seeing cars like this. This is a Dyke, D-Y-K-E, one of three known to exist, 1903. Look at the tube radiator up front, the single headlight. The details on this are remarkable. That's to start, the crank start. See all the mechanicals there? Oh my gosh, it's something else. That is remarkable. I'll give you a better view later on. Again, 1903 Dyke. Single drive, chain drive to the rear axle. And you can see the external contracting brake. Didn't take very much. Look at all that webbing over there just to keep it together. These were so crude in their day. It was amazing. That huge flywheel. That smoothed out the motor. Interesting. I'm not sure what that is. Oh, oil. That's for oil. That's where you watch the flow. Fill it up here. That's the level of oil, and that's your flow. I'm going to try to get under. Hold on. I'm looking straight up at the motor. You can see the carburetor right over there. Side draft goes right in. That's your valve up there, up and down. That's the top of your cylinder. There's the other valve, probably for exhaust. Yep. That's your exhaust right there. Goes right out. That's your crankshaft, crankcase. Look how crudely it's done. And that's your transmission over there. You can see the belt, the external band. There's the flywheel over there. Now this has been modified to have an electric start. A lot of these have been, because it makes it so much easier. This is water cooled. I'm going to go forward. There's a tank over there, up front. Let's get out from under here. Again, 1903 Dyke. I'm going to look it up when I get home and find out some more information. Put it in on the subtitles. This is Pam from NortheastWheelsEvents.com at the 2019 RM Sotheby's Hershey auction. For more cool events like this, make sure you check NortheastWheelsEvents.com, SoutheastWheelsEvents.com, UKWheelsEvents.com, and while you're there, post and share your events. I'll see you at the shows.